Well, folks, out here this afternoon, I'm going to put a new steering cable on this boat. I did a previous video of having a steering problem that got me jammed up on the river one afternoon. Kept me on the river till pretty late at night trying to get back down with no steering. And having trolling motor issues, so it was a mess. But my wife's Uncle Mikey gave me a steering cable. It seems to work. It ain't frozen up. It's a used one, but at least it'll get my boat back going. So we fixing to check it out, compare it to the one I pulled off right here. You know, it's same length. They both say 13 foot. So, and if you ever need to find it, it's on this end that goes to the motor on this plastic cable. It feels like Braille writing. It's stamped in there. So if you ever need to find out what size you got or what you got, feel right down there about a foot up from the end, you can find your writing. This new cable I got, if it'll fit, it's even got the steering, the actual stick, and the box with it. So I think it's a pretty good deal if I get it. It's a good deal. If it works, it's a good deal anyway because it's free. Guys, that is just right. The exact same length. Seems to be working freely. That might be just what the old doctor ordered. What that does, folks, with it already having the box on it and making it simple, you just put the right back where it mounts up there, bolt it back on. Real easy to come in and out right here. It just screws in on this end. The other end has a bolt with a stainless steel arm on it. You bolt it in the end of it. Is what when the cable pushes out and in, that arm pulls the motor back and forth. But with this box already being hooked up, it's going to be just getting it back, get the bolts in it, and then we'll have to get the actual cable secured to the boat. folks, it was just as simple as that. Got it back going. So was ready to go back in the water. Try it out on the water. Big shout out to Uncle Mikey. He gave me another one too, but it'll probably work. I'm gonna put it up. Have one just in case of a jam, just like I just had.